Hi, I'm Owen and your local DIY enthusiast from Boulders. Today, we're at Festool South Africa to discuss their latest offering. Well, they are a premium brand in Boulders and you'll find them all over the country. But joining me today to talk us through what they do offer is Costa Stebraki. Costa, thank you very much for your time. Take us through what Festool is and what do they do?
Owen, Festool is a German company founded in 1925, so there's a long heritage. I call it the Rolls-Royce, or the best of the best when it comes to power tools. Festool specialise in all tools from different sectors, from construction to flooring to drywalling and sealing. Your aircon guys, just your general DIY enthusiast. So just to quickly run through the machine that we've got here on the table, it's a BHC, it's a cordless drill machine, SDS specifically. So the machine itself comes in a sustainer, which is a system-based toolbox, so to speak. On the sustainer itself, there's an image of what exactly goes where, all the accessories, to give a better understanding and a better picture, but specifically back to the actual machine itself. So this is an 18-volt cordless machine. It's a brushless motor. The brushless motor working in conjunction with the Airstream battery, it's a perfect combination.
Well, one thing I first noticed when picking up the cordless drill was the weight.
Yes.
It is extremely light for a machine that offers so much power.
Yes, it's extremely light, including the battery, which is a 5.2 amp hour battery. You're looking at a weight of 2.8 kilos. So that is ideal, if you are an individual or a professional tradesman, you're using it to drill horizontally or vertically, it's ideal. Being so lightweight, it's going to prevent fatigue on the user. If we look carefully at the machine itself, we call it a decoupled handle. So what that does is it prevents white knuckles. In layman's terms, it reduces the vibration going to the user, enabling the user to use it for prolonged periods of time. The functions itself, you've got a drilling function with hammer action function, and then you just got your normal drilling function, rotary function.
So Costa, if you walk into the store and you buy a cordless drill, what battery will you require for this tool?
So the machine doesn't come with batteries or a charger that you can purchase separately, but in general, majority of the Festool machines, it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. The 2 batteries that it comes with, it's a 5.2 amp hour battery. And the beauty about the battery is from completely flat to fully charged, you're looking at 45-minute quick charge.
Costa, take us through the batteries also, because I see there's a 3.1 amp hour battery all the way through to a 6.2 amp hour battery. What is the major difference?
Owen, so we get various different capacities of battery, or I like to refer to the petrol tank of the batteries. So you've got a 3.1 amp hour battery, we've got a 4 amp hour battery, a 5.2 and a 6.2. So as I mentioned to you, it's the same output, the power output. The only thing that differs is your petrol tank size. So that is the only difference. So let me plug in a battery quickly just to show you how nice and easy it is. As easy as that.
Now take us through some of the other features. One thing I noticed is the keyless chuck that's on the end of the drill.
Your keyless chuck. So essentially what you do, pull the collet back, insert your drill bit, and there we go, you're ready to rock and roll.
What tradesman would use this tool?
Pretty much anybody that's going to be drilling holes into a hard substrate. That's essentially construction, your plumbers, your electricians, your aircon installers. It's also pretty much, I don't think I know anybody that doesn't own a drill machine in their factory, their garage or their workshop. But those are to name just but a few.
So Costa, before we start drilling here, what is the main application and reasoning why we'd want to use a dust extractor?
Okay, so there's 3 main reasons, Owen. It's essentially to prolong the life out of your drill bit. Second one is to ensure that there's a clean hole being made. Scenarios such as if you're inserting a chemical anchor or a mechanical anchor, you want that hole to be nice and clean as possible. And just in general, the heart of Festool is a clean surface area or clean work environment.
So Costa, we've got 2 different types of cordless drills here. What's the difference between the 2 and what are we expecting?
SDS, percussion. The proof is in the pudding, so I'll tell you what, I think you can actually determine what the main difference is once you've taken it for a test drive. So Owen, I have a question for you. Which drill machine would you prefer to drill 1,000 holes with?
Well, I'll tell you what, Costa, I mean, this took me forever to drill all of 2 or 3 centimeters. With this, I was using one hand and a lot less effort to drill almost 15 centimeters deep into a solid concrete block. So the choice is pretty simple. I'd use this.
There we go.
One of the major talking points with regards to Festool is the warranty and backup service. What do you offer?
When you buy Festool, you're buying a quality product. With that being said, you're getting a 3-year fully comprehensive warranty. Even if a machine is discontinued, we still carry spare parts and are able to supply you with spare parts for 10 years.
Costa, thank you so much for your time and giving us so much information about Festool.
Only my pleasure. Thank you, Owen.
Well, there it is. I mean, it is a fantastic tool, and experiencing it for myself really means so much. I didn't know much about this premium brand, but after playing with it and using it, it made a huge difference. Well, whether you're the avid DIYer or the ultimate tradesman, Festool might just be the precision tool you've been looking for. All you need to do to see more about this is get onto our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.